Hi guys, I'm Sri Radhe and I'm super excited to tell you about my favorite wireless headphones. Well, I discovered the KDM 851H wireless headphones, which are super trendy, vibrant, and with a design that is gonna make you stand apart from everybody else. I mean, if you put these headphones on and go out, everybody is gonna look at you. What's more is that this wireless headphone can be paired with any music player that uses 3.5 mm aux input. Now let us get into the details of this very cool, trendy and young product. क्या आपको पता है कि इसमें है built-in Bluetooth stereo, which makes your experience of listening to music absolutely fabulous. It has a P-flash memory card storage slot. So now you can store all your favorite songs, save all your playlists on one device and carry it anywhere and everywhere with you. रेडियो की अहमियत तो हमें पता ही है and all of us love listening to our favorite radio shows and our favorite RJs. So now you can also tune in to FM while you are on your wireless KDM headphones. Well, these come in two super trendy colors, that is black and red. And of course, I chose red because I love to stand out, and who wouldn't want to wear these very cool, stylish, vibrant and young headphones. Compared to the traditional USB interface, the KDM wireless headphones use micro USB interface. So this saves up space, 10,000 times more plug life as well as a better and a strong blind structure. So बस यही नहीं, packaging के अंदर इसका manual भी है. And the packaging is super cool and it's really easy to carry. I'm gonna go listen to my music because ये product बाहर से सुंदर और अंदर से strong है. So go check out the KDM 851H wireless earphones.